Happy Tuesday, Bear Bull traders. September's here and the market's open again. We had a pretty decent watch list today, 7-8 stocks. Usual suspects, the pot stocks were moving. MU and JD were great opening range breakdowns. But what happened to me at around 9:40, my DAS crashed and I lost all my levels when I reloaded it. These yellow lines here, I need these to trade properly because I want to have targets and important support resistance levels. So I had to rebuild those. That kind of wasted 5-6 minutes. And I wasn't able to catch any trades, and then the market kind of went sideways. There was really nothing that was tradable. I couldn't find any A1 setups, right? And then at around 10:40, I saw AMD. So AMD was looking really strong. It gapped up. It's been really strong lately. Gapped up, and then huge 45-minute run on the 15-minute chart here. This little bull flag ended up being a 15-minute orb here, right? If you guys been watching my recaps lately, you know that I like to watch multiple time frames to get that extra confirmation. Anyways, I saw it pull back after this run and do kind of a ABCD bull flag type of deal on the 15. And on the 5, it had found support at the 9, and this was a bull flag as well, right? So I waited for the new 5-minute high because I didn't want it to... sometimes you'll see it do this and then end up being a reverse ABCD. And the way I like to avoid that is to wait for the new 5-minute highs. So I did that, boom, went long at 26.50, and my target was somewhere around here, about high of the day and beyond. My stop was down here, so about 2-to-1, half decent. I scaled back. I scaled out too quick, I think, in retrospect, because I really didn't expect it to get this high. But once I saw it break above with strength, I said, okay, I'm gonna hold till 27 at least, 27, and I got some off here, and now I have about 1.6 left. And I'm holding for 27.25, which we should be hitting any second now. And that level comes from here. That's the 52-week high. So hopefully we can hit that, and I'll be at goal. So basically, one and done type of day. First trade, 10:40. That's probably as late as they come, really. And just exercising patience and not getting involved in the chop and the FOMO and all that stuff, right? Kind of stress-free type of day. This is how I like to roll. And let's take a look here on the 1-minute chart. As you can see, this thing rode the MAs quite well, the 9 and the 20. Never lost it. And then here during this drop here, I think a lot of people may have went short, but there was so much support looking back. Okay, so it lost the 9, the 20, the 50. This was support. This was support. This was support, right? So even though the 1-minute chart was looking really bad, there was on the larger time frames, this thing was still strong. So I wasn't concerned. I knew it was going to catch support and go at least test the high of the day again, which it's already done, right? So here we are, 27.25. I'm all out. I'm at goal. One and done. Good start to the month. Good start to the week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below.